Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Today we're going to try a take on the Ring acrylic pour technique. And I do have a little bit of leftover paint in my cup that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to add to that. And I'm using, this is Artist Loft Flow acrylics. And then I'm using some of my Arteza iridescent paints. And I am using the Arteza black canvas underneath here. So let's see. I don't think I added water to this blue. But yeah, someone, and I'm very sorry because I don't remember exactly who it was, but someone suggested to me, instead of just doing the lines straight through the words, or straight through the circle on the canvas, you know, the tree ring, to actually write a word in there and see how that comes out. So I'm going to try that. And I'm just using a wide variety of colors. Even though this has that black in here, it's should still be pretty colorful. Let's put a little of this fairy tale blue. And I am using decoart Extreme Sheen Gold, but I'm using it pretty sparingly because it can definitely cause cell production. Okay, just a little more in here. I'm trying not to go too heavy on the cool colors. Kind of have a nice mix here. Okay, a little more black and then we're done. So like I said, I'm going to start out with a tree ring. I am fairly excited about this, including excited about the colors. Awesome. All right. So like I said, instead of actually taking a stick and just going through it, I'm going to take the back of a paintbrush and I'm going to write a word in here. I think I'll be kind of cheesy and start with something simple. So I'm going to write love. Okay, kind of wish this went a little more off there. But anyways, so if anything, I think it's going to definitely produce interesting results. So it's not the same as like all the way through and there's only a couple points here. Yeah, you know what, let's just leave it at that. And tilt. I don't think it's going to maintain the word, just to be honest from the get-go, but I think it will give us a unique pattern. And I'm definitely digging the colors here. It's sometimes nice to kind of just let it go with the colors and not stress about it too much. Okay. Awesome. So yeah, the word itself is definitely no longer there. But it did give us some interesting lines that I don't think we would have otherwise gotten. So let's let this sit here for a little while, see if anything else develops. I'm actually really digging this corner down here. And then we'll do our close-up. All right, guys, we're back. A couple little things developing. I can tell some of the gold is kind of coming through here because we have little gold cells. Let's do our close-up. Okay, starting in the lower right-hand corner. So somehow we got this like neon pink in there, which I love. Going up to the upper right-hand corner. Lots of red in this one. I didn't feel like I put that much red, but sometimes it takes over. So you can see throughout here, these little gold circles where kind of some of that gold is coming through. And also you can see some of the design left over from our letters in there. And there you have it. So I think this came out pretty cool. I think if I want to try it one more time, maybe making the lines a bit bigger to have more of an effect. So please, in the comments, if you have a suggestion for a good word to write, please keep it 5 letters or under. The original person that suggested it said to do Gryffindor, which would have just been too long, I think. But anyways, if you have suggestions for words that are 5 letters or under that you think would be pretty cool with this technique, let me know down in the comments. And otherwise, I will see you all next time.